Hello everyone, let me introduce you to MM6 for Markets. MM6 for Markets is a large format point of sale that packages an intuitive self-checkout application into an ultra sleek aesthetic. Ideal for locations with over 200 customers, MM6 for Markets helps you effectively serve your high traffic premium micro market accounts. Let's take a closer look. The new MM6 kiosk boasts a vibrant 22-inch touchscreen featuring layered product menus, easy navigation, and informative purchase details, making it easy to attract, engage, and satisfy your customers. MM6 for Markets includes a barcode scanner for quick product selection and versatile payment options for easy checkout. And the kiosk is equipped with a payment terminal that accepts cashless options, including credit, NFC, mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and 365 Pay. Or you can opt for an expansion unit with a bill acceptor that accepts cash payment. Plus, customers can use their stored value accounts accessible via PIN number or fingerprint to pay with ease. Turn eager customers into repeat buyers through custom promotions and loyalty programs. Through 365 stored value accounts, your customers can build up loyalty and rewards points to use at your kiosk. Plus, you can lean on our advanced advertising services to turn your idle kiosk screen into a billboard showcasing new products, deals, and more. Using MM6 is as easy as scan, pay, and enjoy. But it also contains tons of features to help operators. We included features to help you boost security, maximize uptime, and service your markets with ease. MM6 has a built-in camera at the top of the kiosk that displays a real-time image of the consumer on the screen, notifying them that they are being recorded. Combined with internal kiosk speakers that clearly prompt customers to return canceled items, you can quickly spot and deter theft.
Transaction canceled. Please return your items.
Keep your MM6 up and running and selling with reliable connectivity options. Connect MM6 via Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or embedded cellular options to keep your devices online and your customers happy. Plus, a built-in battery backup reduces service calls and helps provide uninterrupted service when power is disrupted. Service your kiosk with ease. MM6 has a front-opening chassis for easy access and serviceability. Get more out of your markets. MM6 is powered by 365's ADM platform, which enables you to adjust pricing, manage products, view inventory, create pick lists, run real-time reports, and much more. Want to mix and match MM6 with other technology? Not a problem. MM6 is compatible with 365's connected campus experience, which means you can run it alongside our Pico coolers, Pico Market, Stockwell, and dining technology to provide a comprehensive and flexible food and beverage service to your location. Provide a premium self-checkout experience to your premium locations with 365's MM6 for Markets. Packed with features that help you provide exceptional service, you can satisfy your customers and maximize your micro market success. Visit us at 365retailmarkets.com and get started today.